Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. This time around I wanted to introduce you to a brand new feature that Vikings Blade has built into the Chieftain safety razor. Now this is the Odin limited edition safety razor. It's the Chieftain Odin limited edition safety razor. And they have a brand new feature on there that helps you with blade alignment. Now a lot of times when you use razor blades, in three-piece razors, you have to fiddle with that blade alignment inside the razor head. It's a neat feature that they've built into the Chieftain razor. We're going to go ahead and use a Vikings blade, razor blade. Going to open this up, and we're going to pull that out. Get this open here like this. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so we're going to place the blade right there like that. Now, long as the razor is vertical like this, the doors close nicely. We're going to open that up again, and we're going to reseat the blade, and we're just going to kick it a little bit this way like this, and watch. See, it locks. You can't turn it anymore. See that? The doors have locked because the blade is out of alignment inside the razor head. It's a safety feature. So you can't twist that anymore. So you have to open that back up, and then you reseat the blade, and if the blade is seated correctly, the doors once again will close. Watch. Ta-da! They close. Isn't that nice? It's really, really a neat feature to make sure that the blade is properly aligned and seated correctly inside the razor head. The blade dimensions, the razor blade dimensions, vary a little bit from manufacturer to manufacturer, which is why Vikings Blade incorporated this feature into their razor head, because sometimes there might be a little difference in the size of blade that you use in the razor head. This way, it gives you a better chance of aligning the blade properly. As long as you hold it like this, and you can drop the blade in, it's seated correctly, you can close it. But every once in a while, then, in the morning, you might put it in there, and you might be doing it like this, or you might have it off center, so to speak, a little bit, and the blade will shift in there a little bit, depending on the size of that razor blade. This ensures that you hold it vertical, you seat the blade, and you get really nice, precise alignment. Okay, so it's a brand new feature that they've incorporated into the Viking Blade Chieftain razors. Something that is really, really an added benefit. Just wanted to pass that on to you. Thanks very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Hey, comment below. Let me know. Check out my blog, GeorgeTune.com/blog for my comic strip George. Other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.